Hello everyone, I am adhnan from grade 8.
I'm Krishnan of grade 8.
I'm Mohammed from grade 8. We are representing TKM CENTENARY Public School. We are
This is the block diagram of robotic useful hand. This is the controlling system of robotic useful hand. Let's go to inputs. First input is night vision artificial intelligence camera. It can identify the face recognition system and it can be connected to GPS and we can save the emotions of the patient and identify by night vision sensor. Let's go to substance identifying artificial intelligence camera. It can identify the objects the patient wants and it also used in emotional artificial camera. Let's discuss about the battery system. This control system contains battery, 6-volt battery, all are using this, and there is a charging port and a system cooling fan for cooling the control system as a transmitter and IC. Let's go to hand applications. This is analog conditioning system. It can control the system of hand applications. Hand applications is working motor 1 and motor 2. This is the software robotic artificial muscle to activate the muscles of robot, and it can be connected by USB and the security alert system that is to identify the user to know this have a kind of surveillance reported to see the user. Let's discuss about the wheels. Wheels have four motor A1, motor A2, motor 3, motor A4. And let's discuss about the workings and controls of the robotic useful hand. This is the emotional sensor to identify the emotions of patient, and this is the night vision to identify objects in night, and it is helpful for the patient. This is the neck portion. It can expand by the patient's face. Let's discuss about the specialized hand. The robotic applications are it have a software artificial muscle to expand and upwards and downwards to the hand, and there is a sensor objects identifying artificial intelligence sensor. It can identify the objects. This is the basement. There is a charging port and the battery power is 6-volt battery. This is the charging port. There is many wheels under the. Our idea will be a great help. That's all. Thank you.